So with the single word reading test, you have the recording sheet, the child has the larger reading paper in front of them, and the child just reads the words one by one. Emma, would you like to start reading these words?
See, look, play, was, like, this, next, house, going, bell, hang, stand, there, living, again, first, slowly, score, found, break, bread, scream, journey, suppose, yawned, should, tissue, court, stretching, tongue, copies.
Can you just stop there for a moment, Emma? Now, Emma's self-corrected. She said break, then she went back and said bread. That is not an error. That if she's self-corrected, that's fine. Keep going, Emma.
Medicine, strengthen, source, creative, metal, eventually, hygiene, despite, calm, journalism, excitable, distraction, persuade, aggravated, organate, courageous, atmosphere, family.
Good try.
Scientific, recurrence.
Now, when we get to a point in the test where the child's beginning to find it a little bit more difficult, we can stop there and ask them, are there any words they know, any words they want to have a go at, rather than if you can see that it is just getting too hard for them. So we might stop at that one, Emma, and just have a look at this one. We're right down to the end.
Mm-hmm.
Are there any in that box that you can see?
No.
That you'd know? Any you'd like to have a go
excursion.
at? Oh, good girl, excursion. Are there any you'd like to have a go at?
No.
No?
No.
Okay. So that way we don't put the child under stress. If we know that they're not going to get them because the words get extremely difficult toward the end, we just let them have a go. Ask them if there's any words they know, but also any words that they can actually sound out or have a go at. Once you've done the single word reading test, you'll know what level to begin with. So you check the chart, find the levels that you should start with. In the book, it actually tells you what to say to the child. So it's scripted. Please read this script because it has to be consistent. So it tells you what to say. This is what we'd say. I would like now to read some short passages to me. Read the passages aloud. If you come to a hard word, try to sound it out. But if you still don't know it, I will help you. At the end of each passage, I will ask you some questions about what you have read. You can look back at the passage when you answer the questions. I will record how long it takes for you to read each passage, but to remember to read carefully. You then give the child the passage. You have the recording sheet and the child reads through the passage. There are different categories of errors. The first one is mispronunciation. So if they mispronounce a word, say they say ballon instead of balloon, it's a mispronunciation and we just put MIS above it. If they substitute a word, if they say the dog instead of a dog, it's a substitution, put an S above that word. If they refuse, they're not sure of the word, they stop, they don't give any word, is a refusal. If they add words, omission, if they leave out a word, and reversal is when they say was for saw, on for no. We record the total number of errors, but you also have to record the time taken in seconds.